cold and grey, wet. I'm actually wearing clothes today. Like I can go on a ride, wearing a hoodie and stuff. But gonna do the last upgrade here. We're gonna get a new derailer on today. There's nothing wrong with this one. It's just the old one. It's a stock one that came with it. It just shifts at 1 gear at a time. I'm gonna get a rapid fire one, a Shimano one. But I've done enough work on this bike this summer. I need a break, so I'm gonna bring it to the local bike shop, and Andrew's gonna put it on for me. So let's go to Richfield and go to Freewheel Bike, see what they can do. So here we are, we're at Freewheel Bike in Richmond. We're gonna get a new derailleur put on. Let's go. So we just finished at Freewheel Bike. Andrew put on a Shimano Altus 9-speed, and let's go test it out. And thanks again to the guys at Freewheel Bike. If you're ever in Richfield, come check it out. They're really good, really friendly, very helpful. Wind noises, whooshing noises. Oh, I just squished a grasshopper. Whoosh. Oh. Loose. The dirt is very loose. I've been here in a while, been at the pump track all week. It's nice to get on some dirt for a change. I'm taking the skills that I learned on the pump track, I'm bringing them to the trails. Oh, I can feel my back tire sliding out all over the place here. Oh. Yeah, that's some loose dirt. Blue line shenanigans. Damn, that dirt is loose. I can feel my back tire going all over the place here. What made you go real fast? Oh.